DIA provides such an essential platform for our stakeholders and members. We are uniquely positioned as a neutral global forum to bring together the regulators, industry, healthcare professionals, patients, payers, students, anyone who touches healthcare and touches the development of medicines has a role and has a home at DIA. We bring all those individuals together to represent their communities as we work to solve the most critical problems facing patients and getting the health care that they need. We do this both for innovative therapies as well as the medicines that have been in existence for many, many years. And in this world, there's so many opportunities to improve the care that patients get by giving them better access to novel medicines and improving the provision of medicines that have been critical in their health for many, many years. It's interesting, DIA serves as a catalyst for solving problems, but at the same time, we serve as a forum for creating community. Some of the issues that we work on really uniquely sit in areas where they wouldn't be addressed if the various communities didn't come together and that we had the opportunity to hear the perspectives from those various stakeholders. For example, you can't understand a patient's life with an illness unless you've experienced it yourself. So having the patient come and provide their perspective, not just on their disease, but on the therapies that exist today that help them deal with the disease, is a critical element in the conversation for the community. So we provide those various perspectives that help us be more effective as a community. I have so many good memories of my time here at DIA, but one of the things that I really think about the most, and is so warm in my heart, is how DIA responded when the pandemic hit. We knew it was here, and of course we bring people together in person, so you had to stop doing that. And we had to think about other ways to continue to deliver on our mission. So to watch our community come together, not just our staff who quickly moved from in-person convening to digital convening, but to watch the various stakeholders be willing to bring their voice, bring their perspectives, brainstorm together and create novel solutions on a virtual platform with almost no preparation. That was so wonderful because to me it really spoke to the commitment they have to patients. I believe that anyone who touches healthcare would benefit from being involved with DIA for a few reasons. First of all, each person who touches patients or who touches therapies knows their perspective on those elements, and they should be sharing them freely because there are others in our audience who could learn from that. Secondly, they come to the audience, they come to our forums in an effort to learn themselves and to expand and improve what they deliver, because we're living in a globally diverse and highly changing healthcare system right now. So you can't stay on top of things. You can't understand how you can be best at your craft without learning from others about what's changing, how to integrate new ways of thinking. We're in a tremendously dynamic world with respect to data and data integration and the use of new tools, integrating elements of diversity and patient voice into therapeutic development. You have to stay on top of it to be the best at your game. So I really believe that people who touch health and life sciences would really benefit from being involved with DIA. When people come together in DIA, not only are they learning from each other and sharing with each other, but they benefit from being part of a community. And when I'm in the sessions that we have in my role, I can feel the warmth and the mutual support that exists across this wonderful health and life sciences community, and the relationships and the friendships and the support that they deliver to each other. And I think that's a critical element of what DIA does for our community day in and day out. Next year in 2023, we celebrate DIA Europe's 35th anniversary, and we'll be doing so by bringing our community together in Basel. I hope everybody can come and join us. It will be a wonderful milestone to celebrate the success of this mission, which we've had in place for a very long time, and implemented here in Europe.